Hello, and today I will show you how to get um, stone tools. Stone tools is a much more efficient way or much better than the wooden tools. But I will show you how to get the wooden or the stone tools. First off, you need the wooden pickaxe. And then you have to find stone. You can either dig down like this or find a mountain. We go down here and we will just dig the stone like this. So now we have some stone. We also need some wood to make the sticks. So now we have the wood. We go into the crafting table and we will make sticks of them like this. Now to get a pickaxe, we do two sticks like this and three above, and we get a stone pickaxe. This has more durability and can mine faster than a wooden pickaxe. Now we will do a sword. We just need one stick in the bottom and two above, like this. Now we will do an axe, three like this. Doesn't matter which side you do it on. And I will show you how to make a hoe, like this. And I will show you how to make a shovel, like this. So with the shovel, you can dig grass or gravel much quicker. With the axe, you can dig down tree much more faster than you can do with your hand or a wooden axe. With the sword, you kill much better than wooden. And I guess the same with the pickaxe, you mine much more faster. And what is this I have on my third slot here? It's a hoe. I will just... Here, I got two seeds. With the hoe, you farm with this one. So you right click on the ground like this, and you put down a seed. You need water and light for this to grow. It can grow, but very, very slow if you just do like this. So if you place a water here, or maybe a torch or sunlight, it grow much faster. So this is all I have to show for the stone tools. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will happily answer them. Bye.